First, install the software and get your license.txt file sent to you via email. Exit the license request part if you already have it. Note this is all part of the installation process. Copy your SynthMaster license key.txt file to your Documents, SynthMaster folder. For me, this is located at C, Users, my Windows account username, Documents, SynthMaster. For Mac users, I think this is located in the Library, Application Support, KV331 Audio, SynthMaster folder. I do not own a Mac, so check your email from KV331 with your license file for instructions. Now open SynthMaster 2 in your DAW and click on the browser button, then move your mouse under the Banks column and right-click. A pop-up menu should appear. You need to choose Import Preset Banks and wait for the install to complete. If you have issues getting the correct pop-up menu to appear, try left-clicking on the column titled Bank, or the word All, below the Bank column title, then right-click and you should see the correct pop-up menu. If you have further issues, right-click the Bank column again and choose Restore My Expansions. To install the online presets, click on the Browser button, and in the Bank column title you will see the words Local and Online to the right of the word Bank. Click Online, and it should auto-install the online presets. If not, right-click and choose Import Preset Banks. After this, I recommended that you right-click on the orange bar at the top for SynthMaster 2.9 and change the skin to something better, as the default skin is not very good. For SynthMaster One, follow the same process. However, the TXT file should be copied to a different folder. For me, this is located at C, Users, my Windows account username, Documents, SynthMaster One folder. Note, I don't think they have any online presets for SynthMaster One as nothing appears for me, but it may for you.